apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I achieve this hair color. And if you missed the video where I made this wig by myself. So yeah, if you missed that video, I'll leave it right up in the iCards over here. So click it after you finish watching this video, of course, and watch that and leave your honest feedback. And if you watch that video, you'll realize that in that video the color is different. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this hair color. I was going for more like the Tiana Taylor orange, but however I got more of a ginger color, which looks more like Rihanna inspired. So that's what I'm gonna go with. And yeah, I think it's cute or whatever. Yeah, so let me know if you like it looking like this or you like it looking like this. You like it all to the front or just this side on the front. So without further ado, guys, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Please subscribe, or if you're always watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because my analytics show me that most of you guys watching me are not subscribed. What are you waiting on? Go support your girl. Yeah, so let's get into the video. So right here I was just showing you the bleaching process, guys, and I have several videos of me bleaching here, so I'm going to leave them right up top in the iCards just in case you're new, or just in case you've subscribed but you haven't watched those videos. Just check the iCards, guys. And also, have you ever bleached someone's hair before? So yeah, tell me how is it, and please answer it in the question section in the iCard, guys. I ain't even gonna lie, why couldn't somebody tell me it was such a workout doing this? Like, remember I had a 22-inch, a 24, and a 26-inch, plus a 20-inch closure, I think. That was it, or 18-inch. But guys, my hand, my feet, like everything was hurting so much. I was like, whoo wee. Like, kudos to all the hairstylists out there, because guys, to do this is such a task. Now I see why people charge so much for wigs, or like to get custom colors or stuff. But like, this is like probably the hardest part, because now that the watercolor comes in, I think coloring here has become way easier. If you agree with me, guys, just let me know. Drop your comments if you think it's way easier now with all these techniques and stuff. Now, out of all the colors you see me share on my channel, let me know which hair color you prefer the most. And also, if you have any color that you'd like me to try out, leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely do that, guys. If you've reached this far in the video, how about consider liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this video with your family and friends. I'll appreciate it so much. So right here, guys, I have 5 pack of dyes. I have 3 Wella dyes in orange, and I got that brand. I wasn't sure of it because I've never used it, and I got it. I was originally going for Arctic Fox, but they didn't have any. So, but it was good. But the only thing, it was cream, although they said Arctic Fox is cream, but I figured a way to work around it. So what I did was I went in with the cream first, tried to get all of it, and then I went in with the 1 bottle of Cajun spice and then half bottle of the paprika. That was the mixture. I mixed them all together before I put it in the hot water because all of them was liquid. That's why I decided to do that, because when you have the cream in the water first, then you add the water, it's harder to mix out and harder to work with. So yeah, guys. So guys, there you have it, the water boiling up. I'm not gonna let it start to bubble or anything like that. So right about now I'm about to take it off and start adding the colors. Right now, I'm adding the color in the hot water, guys, and I'm going to tell you how to achieve the Tiana Taylor orange. The original plan was to have 4 bottles of orange, but when I went to Sally's, they only had 3 orange, and I didn't have no other choice to get an orange bottle. So what I did was use 3. If you want to achieve the Tiana Taylor color, do the same exact steps, but use 4 bottles of orange dye with the same mixture of Cajun spice and paprika, and you'll get the Tiana Taylor orange. So right here, guys, I'm just using a tissue to test to see what the color will look like, and it was okay. It wasn't, as you know, the exact color I was going for, but I was still pleased with it. Then I went ahead and put the wig inside, and I left it for 10 minutes. Then I took it out, and it was okay to me, so I proceed with everything else after. Now, when I was at Sally's, the lady recommended me to get that little packet. It's like to lock the color, the dye inside of the hair. So after I took it out, I used that on it, and then afterwards I went in with the deep conditioner. So you'll soon see. It's 2 small packets, and it is important, guys, because you know after the hair goes through all that struggle of getting to the perfect blonde for you to color it, it's a lot of chemicals, so the hair will definitely needs moisture and deep condition. As this is what the deep treatments look like, and I did it after locking the color. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. I also hope you guys learned something, and until my next video, guys, one love.